refresher, the game is over. Next Roche, the game is over. Legit, next Roche game is over. This guy has a desolator.
Wait.
Dude, he had BKB in 1 second. What is he doing? Oh my god, what did they just do? What the hell did they just do?
You used to hate that way, man.
Why did they do that? Dude, legit, just go throne. They don't have to kill them. Stand together for Static Storm. What a fucking concept, actually. Actually classic. It's just classic course. Oh my god, there's so many ways to prevent them from literally just going throne. So stupid. Actually so stupid. This guy, I mean, if I was carry, this game was over like 10 years ago. He just first pick carry, doesn't buy BKB. Doesn't buy BKB, and then just does this shit. And then just does this shit at the end. I don't even know what Butterfly does. Why doesn't he just buy Refresh Orb? Refresh Orb is like 10 times better. Ayasha, 10 times better. Butterfly doesn't like do anything this game too. Yeah. He was so farmed. The SF had 10k net worth at 15. Just know that he had 10k net worth at 15. Unreal, absolutely unreal. It's all good. It's all good though. It was a fun shaman game. Honestly, God, it was fun shaman game. Yeah, it's all good, man. It is just all good, man. Kotaro, Salam, how we doing? Yes. Dota Master versus rank 200. Yes, yes.